गुड इवनिंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। तो आज हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइज करने वाले क्लास 7 का सोशल साइंस का डिबेट, जिसमें 8 कैंडिडेट पार्टिसिपेट करेंगे जो एक एक करके अपना इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे। यस,
My name is Rajveer Singh.
क्लास
7.
Myself Sayed Ansari from class 7.
Myself Vaibhav Singh from class 7.
I'm Tayantu Kumar from class 7.
Myself is Pratyusar from standard 7.
Myself Srishti Singh from class 7.
Myself Pratigya Kumari from class 7.
Myself Madiha King from class 7.
ओके। तो 4 सेक्शन में ये डिबेट होने वाला है। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू यानी मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे आपके बुक से ही। सेकंड ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। थर्ड मैच द फॉलोइंग, जिसमें आके आपको बोर्ड पे बनाना होगा। और लास्ट हम लोग सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन करेंगे कुछ। ओके, सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर राजीव। देखते इसमें आ नहीं रहा, मैंने तो चलिए सबसे पहले आ गया ट्रू एंड फॉल्स। क्वेश्चन पढ़िए राजवीर, पांचों का जवाब देना है।
A globe is a three-dimensional model for the Earth.
ऑफ द अर्थ होगा, गलती हो गई। हाँ, ट्रू है या फॉल्स है? हाँ, ए ग्लोब इज अ 3-dimensional model of the earth. ट्रू और फॉल्स?
True.
ट्रू। वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट।
Equator divides the globe into two hemispheres. True.
वेरी गुड।
Latitudes are also called meridians. False.
यस।
Prime meridian is also called Greenwich meridian. True.
वेरी गुड।
The Earth rotates 180 degree in 24 hours. True.
नो।
False. False. False.
कितने डिग्री बता दीजिए?
360.
360 डिग्री। यस। ओके, नेक्स्ट सैयद। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
The stars are very near from our Earth. False.
यस।
The planets are the heavily body. False. Galaxies are hung group of
Huge
stars.
group.
Huge group of star, planet, gas, dust, etc. True.
वेरी गुड।
Mercury is the prime source of heat and light of the Earth. False.
फॉल्स। ओके, ऑल राइट। नेक्स्ट वैभव जी, क्वेश्चन रीड करें।
Vardhaman Mahavir was the first Tirthakar. It is false.
यस। कौन थे पहले तीर्थकर?
Rishabh.
ऋषभ देव। ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Second, women and children were not allowed to join the Buddhist Sangh. It is false.
यस।
Third, Buddha found enlightenment under a neem tree. False.
कौन सा ट्री था?
Bodhi tree.
पीपल ट्री। नाम उसका रखा गया
बोधि।
बोधि। ओके।
Fourth, Mahayana sect of Buddhists started worshipping Buddha as a god. True.
यस।
Fifth, the Brahmins conducted all the rituals and ceremonies in Sanskrit. True.
यस, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट प्रियांशु।
The capital of the Cheras was Madurai. True.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Madurai was
द कैपिटल ऑफ चेरास वाज मदुरई। ट्रू।
false.
क्या कौन सा होगा कैपिटल?
That's part.
यस,
It is Vanji.
वंजी। ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Madurai was a seaport. True.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Satwang set up their kingdom in Deccan. True.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
Sangha literature was compiled between
कंपाइल।
300 CE to 600 CE. False. False.
ओके, नेक्स्ट।
The kingdom of South had no trade relation with other countries. False.
फॉल्स। ओके, राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट मदिहा की।
Sanskrit became the official language during the Gupta period. True.
ट्रू है। संस्कृत became the official
life of the people was not safe during the Gupta period because false.
फॉल्स है, लोग सेफ थे. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Gold coins were circulation during the Gupta period. True.
वेरी गुड.
Gupta rulers adopted Buddhism. True.
वेरी गुड.
Gupta age is considered as the dark age of India history. False.
फॉल्स. ओके ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट. प्रतिज्ञा कुमारी.
The Great Bath was discovered in Mohenjo-daro. True.
यस.
Harappans did not worship any god or goddess. False.
वेरी गुड.
Harappas ate only vegetarian food. False.
यस.
The Indus Valley people used baked bricks to build wall and houses. True.
यस.
The Indus Valley people very good craft persons. True.
वेरी गुड ऑल राइट. नेक्स्ट.
The early man plotted the seeds of these plants and threw them around his camp. True. Man led a nomadic life in the Neolithic age. False.
यस.
The use of fire was further extended. True.
वेरी गुड.
The early man drew painting and various animals which he hunted. True.
ओके नेक्स्ट.
A script can be used to write only one language. False.
यस.
History helps us to know about our country's rich heritage. True.
वेरी गुड.
The coins bear such information as dates, names of kings, and their portraits. True. Harshcharit is an example of religious literature. False.
यस.
Vedas, Purans, and Upanishads are the examples of religious literature. True.
वेरी गुड. सो ट्रू एंड फॉल्स कंप्लीट. ओके सबसे पहले शुरू करते हैं प्रत्युष से. क्वेश्चन पढ़े.
The town of Harappa was discovered in the year 1923.
यस.
1921.
1921 by Dayaram Sahni. Okay, next.
Harappan civilization developed mainly in the valley of Indus River.
Yes. Okay, next.
The Harappan people worshipped the humped bull.
Humble. Yes.
The Indus Valley civilization disappeared by the about 1500 BC.
Very good. Next.
Chanakya was Chanakya was also known by the names of both of these.
Kautilya and Vishnugupta. Okay, next.
Chanakya was the prime minister of Chandragupta. Option B.
Very good.
Pushyamitra belonged to Sunga dynasty.
Sunga dynasty. Okay, right.
Seleucus invaded in 322 BC. Option A.
Yes, Rajveer. Seleucus invaded India.
305 BC.
305 BC. Okay, next.
The capital of Maurya Empire was Patliputra.
Patliputra. Okay. Pratigya, first question.
The capital of Kanishk was Ujjain.
Okay.
Charkha was a well-known physician.
Yes.
Which kingdom is issued the first gold coins?
The first one, huh?
Kushans.
Kusans. Okay, next.
The most important ruler of the Shaka dynasty was Rudradaman.
Rudradaman. Very good. All right. Next. Madhya.
Milky Way is a galaxy.
Galaxy. Right.
The sun is a star.
The sun is a star. Very good.
The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury.
The planet nearest to the sun is Mercury. Very good.
The biggest planet is Jupiter.
The biggest planet is Jupiter. Is also right. Okay, next, Rajveer.
An imaginary line running from the North Pole to the South Pole is called equator.
An imaginary line running from the North Pole to South Pole is called equator.
No, sir.
Yes, बताइए मदिया अभी.
Latitude.
नहीं.
No, sir.
Longitude होना चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
No, sir. X.
Axis.
एक्सिस कर सकते हैं. ऐसे longitude होगा जो North Pole to South Pole जोड़ता है. Okay, next.
The imaginary lines running parallel to the equator are known as latitude.
Very good. Next.
Latitudes are the imaginary line draw from west to east.
Okay.
GMT is 12 noon. The time at 180 degree longitude will be 12 midnight.
Wow.
Which of the following is the degree of prime meridian? 0 degree longitude.
0 degree longitude is right. Okay, next. Sallu.
The angle of inclination of the Earth axis with the orbit plane is 66.5 degree.
Okay, next.
Winter solstice take place on 22 December.
The winter sun is 22nd December. Very good. Next.
Day and night are caused by rotation. Option number first.
Very good. Next.
One which date the entire world experience equinox.
Equinox. On which date the entire world experience equinox? दिन और रात बराबर होता है.
23 December.
23rd September. Okay. Next. Vaibhav.
The collection of map is known as atlas. Option
Very
number
good.
B. Second, which of these is not a component of map? Option number A, sketching.
Yes.
Third, small scale maps are used for depicting which areas? Larger areas.
The small scale map are used for depicting larger area.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next.
The map showing the boundaries and areas of different countries and states is called political map. Option number A, first.
Very good.
The symbol means road. Option number first.
Next.
And the four major directions are called cardinal points.
Cardinal point. Okay. Priyansu.
चमक रहा है हल्का.
चमक रहा है?
Yes, sir, हल्का नीचे कर दीजिए.
नीचे थोड़े हुआ. उधर सामने आ जी. हाँ, सामने चलिए.
Changes in atmosphere condition are called climate.
No. Yes, Rajveer.
Weather.
Weather. Changes in atmosphere condition are called weather. Okay, next.
Tropical rainforests are called evergreen forest.
Yes.
The Ganga Delta is found in
The Ganga Delta is found in
Brown forest,
Pond forest. Is wrong.
Malabar forest.
नहीं आप बताइए पता गया.
मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट.
मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट जो डेल्टा होती है वहाँ पे मैंग्रोव फॉरेस्ट में पाए जाते हैं. सुंदरवन डेल्टा जैसे. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Elephants are found in Kerala.
यस. ओके नेक्स्ट.
Tikra,
कीकर.
babul are the trees of desert forest.
Desert forest. Right. Very good. ओके. सो MCQ भी कंप्लीट है. अब हम लोग करेंगे
Match the following.
मैच दी
Following.
फॉलोइंग. चलिए फर्स्ट आएंगी मदिया. समर सोलिस्टिस.
21st March.
Okay, next. Inclination of Earth axis. कितने डिग्री पे अर्थ इंक्लाइन है? वेरी गुड. इक्विनॉक्स कब तीनों रात बराबर होते हैं? वेरी गुड.
Winter solstice.
हाँ.
22nd December.
वेरी गुड.
Rotation day and night.
वेरी गुड. ऑलराइट है. अब आएगी प्रतिक्रिया. The island continent.
Pacific Ocean,
कॉन्टिनेंट बोल रहे हैं तो आप ओशियन मिला रही है.
Australia,
वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. जापान सी. पहले जो आ रहा है वो मिला लीजिए. लैंड जो होगा लिथोस्फीयर. वेरी गुड. लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट, सबसे बड़ा कॉन्टिनेंट. वेरी गुड. दोनों पैसिफिक ओशियन लिखा है. फ्रोजन कॉन्टिनेंट में अंटार्कटिका होना चाहिए था.
यस सर.
एक गलत दिया है. जापान को मिला दीजिए पैसिफिक ओशियन से. हाँ, इसका आंसर गलत दे दिया है. फ्रोजन कॉन्टिनेंट का क्या होना चाहिए था? अंटार्कटिका होना चाहिए था. ओके, चलिए नेक्स्ट. उतार के आएंगी, लेके आइए. हाँ, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन. पकड़िए. कौटिल्य. वेरी गुड. वेरी गुड. ऑल राइट. कौटिल्य ने अर्थशास्त्र लिखा था. उदयन एक रिलीजन है. सेल्यूकस किसके सेंटर थे? अलेक्जेंडर के. मेगास्ट्रीन ने इंडिका लिखा था. वेरी गुड. नेक्स्ट. काना.
Parents are grandparents, uncles, aunts,
Yes.
cousins.
वेरी गुड. Yes. All right. Very good. Next diagram Ranveer. Very good. कैसे मार रहे हैं? चीफ ट्रिब्यूटरी ऑफ गंगा. गंगा की सहायक नदी ग्रेटर हिमालय है. इसमें से रिवर कौन है? तो रुकिए एक सेकंड. फिर से एक बार करते हैं. हाँ, वेरी गुड। ये भी आपका गलत था। गलत है कि नहीं?
Yes.
हिमाद्री क्या है? ग्रेटर हिमालय है। मिटाइए उसको। अब वो हाथ ऐसे, हाँ पूरा ये हाथ रखिए। हाँ, हिमाद्री ग्रेटर हिमालय। वेरी गुड। ट्रायंगुलर प्लेट्यू, वेरी गुड। यूनियन टेरिटरी ऑफ दिल्ली, यस यस, अब हुआ राइट, वेरी गुड। जाइए, अब आएंगे सल्लू, सैयद अंसारी। बिल्कुल सही है। फ्यू मिलियन अगो क्या हुआ था? बिगनिंग ऑफ द ओल्ड स्टोन। 2 मिलियन अगो अर्लीस्ट ह्यूमन बीइंग ऑन द अर्थ। 12,000 ईयर अगो बिगनिंग ऑफ द मेसोलिथिक, और 1000 ईयर अगो बिगनिंग ऑफ न्यू ओल्ड स्टोन एज। वेरी गुड, ऑल राइट है। नेक्स्ट
Harappan civilization occurred in the prehistoric period.
वेरी गुड।
Archaeological sources is one of the animal bones. Megasthenes wrote a book known as Indica. Inscription means the handwriting on the surface means the rock and from earth.
यस,
And artifact means a monument.
वेरी गुड, ऑल राइट, वेरी गुड। प्रियांशु,
Brahmins was pigs.
वेरी गुड, राइट। यस, ऑल राइट। सभी ने कर लिया? मैच भी फॉलोइंग भी।
Yes.
अब हम लोग लास्ट पार्ट यानी कि सब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन पे करेंगे, जिसमें क्वेश्चन आएंगे डिस्प्ले पे और आपको उसका आंसर देना है। शुरू करेंगे हम लोग राजवीर से। राजवीर, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Write a short note on the archaeological source of ancient history.
यस,
Archaeological source is a source in which we found some clues and evidence
यस,
from the
कौन बोलना चाहेगा अच्छे से? यस, मदिया की।
In archaeological source of ancient history, these include the remains of building, pottery, ornaments, bones, weapons, tools, etc. They were made of metal and stone.
वेरी गुड, सेम राइट आंसर है।
what do you
ये उसका
understand?
उसका
What do you understand by history? What is its importance for us? History may be defined as a carefully and systematic study of past events on the basis of available material. It's called history.
बोलिए। यस, प्रतिज्ञा बताइए।
History may be defined as a careful and a systematic study of past events on the basis of available remain and record. Importance of history. History about how people other time acted and thought. History educated us.
Very good. Next. Sorry, Gira.
How are coins useful in the construction of history of a certain period? First of all, the coins are the archaeological sources of the ancient history. They help us a great deal to know about the history of ancient India. The ancient coins are made up of different metals and alloys such as copper, aluminium, silver and other alloys. The making of coins with metals and alloys shows that there was a great progress made in the field of science in that period.
Very good. Next. दिख रहा है? Distinguish between secular literature and religious literature with example.
Religious literature which are written religious literature like Vedas, Upanishad, etc. It is the source of history. It is a religious source of history. According to this, it says us that how people of ancient India are and which God was worshipped by them.
Okay, कोई और बोलना चाहेगा? Yes, Pratyush.
Religious literature. This consists of a literature on particular region. This is very important for ancient history. Vedas, Mahabharata, Ramayana are some examples of religious literature. Secular literature. Secular literature was written by scholars. It tells us about the social, economical and religious events of those periods like Mudra Rakshas, Arthashastra.
Okay, very good. Next question for Pratyush.
Give an account of the various archaeological evidences to know about the ancient buildings, poetry, ornaments, bones, tools and weapons are made up of metal and stones, which are some archaeological evidences or sources to know about the ancient history.
Okay, next. Srishti.
The religious literature and the secular literature and forget travels accounts. Literature.
और कोई बोलना चाहेगा? Yes, Vaibhav.
First of all, we have to know about the ancient history, which continued from the appearance of the human beings to the 8th century CE. The sources found which tells about the ancient history are of two types. First one is the archaeological sources and second one is the literary sources. Literary sources are further divided into three parts: the travel logs or travel accounts of the foreign explorers. Second one is the religious literature and third one is the secular literature.
Okay, very good. Next. एक सेकंड. Yes. किसका है? प्रतिज्ञा कर रहा. पढ़िए क्वेश्चन.
Why are some poor people forced to take loan from local money lenders? The poor people forced to from local money lenders because they were very poor and they live in small settlements and
कौन बताएगा अच्छे से डिटेल में? सिर्फ एक ही हाथ उठा. बताइए.
The local money lenders were the such people who don't have much money to afford to buy or fulfill their basic needs. They took loan from the rich people or the local money lenders because they have to fulfill the basic needs of their families or to afford the prices made in the marriages of their son and daughters, or for the social developments.
So why are some poor people forced to take loan from local money lender? Because lack of education. They don't have education that in bank there are less interest rate than local money lenders, and also they do not have collateral. Collateral means assets, land, house, car. Okay, next. Madhya again.
What have been the development in the alternate rural occupation?
रूरल ऑक्यूपेशन, गांव में क्या क्या ऑक्यूपेशन किया जाता है लोगों के द्वारा?
The rural occupation generally are farmers.
Farmers और
There are 3 types of farmers. Primary farmers, secondary farmers.
कौन बताएंगे डिटेल में? आप लोग नहीं है थे, ये बुक करनी है, बताइए.
First of all, we have to know about the farmers who live in the village. So there are three types of farmers. The first one are the rich farmers who have lots of plot of land and earn much money. Second one are the small farmers who earn less money but try to afford their basic needs. And the third one are the agricultural laborers who work on the fields of other farmers. So most of the agricultural laborers don't have much money to afford their expenses of the houses, so they take loans for the money lenders. When time after time the loan increases and they are caught in the debt trap. So most of the farmers in the village try to suicide. So the government has made many rules for the development in the in the section of agriculture. They have made small scale industries and also many societies for the development or the small development of the village people.
Okay, very good. Next. किसका है? प्रियांशु, आपसे स्टार्ट होगा. क्वेश्चन पहले रीड करें.
Difference between the 3 types of occupation with the help of examples. 3 types of occupations are: first, farming.
Yes.
It is the major occupation of our country, India. More than 70% of the people of India are farmers. Farmers are the people who farm in their field to grow crops and fulfill the need of food in India. Second, one is
कौन बताएगा?
business.
Yes.
So first I have to say that he has said wrong. The 3 different types of occupations are the following, which I am going to say. The first one is the primary occupation, which means the occupation of the people in which they exploit or grow the natural resources.
Very good.
Such as farmers, miners, fishermen,
Yes.
and many more.
Yes.
Second one is secondary occupation, in which the people work in industries such as chemical industries, engineering industries, and many more.
Yes.
The third one is tertiary industries, in which the people tertiary industry occupation, in which the people directly work such
to serve people,
to
service,
to serve people.
service like barber, carpenter, etc. Carpenter, nahi, barber, shopkeeper, etc. Okay, next.
There are many functions of the
Right,
municipal.
पहले question write कीजिए.
Mention two compulsory functions of municipal corporation. There are many compulsory and voluntary functions of the municipal corporation, but according to the question, I am going to say about the two compulsory functions. First one is that the municipal corporations have to organize medical centers and dispensaries for the free treatment and vaccination of the people. Second one is that the municipal corporation have to provide water, electricity, food, and also repair the damaged roads.
Okay. Next.
Mention three main points that distinguish a municipal corporation and a municipal committee.
अंतर बताना है म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन एंड म्युनिसिपल कमेटी में, मालूम है? फिर वही हाथ उठाए. यस, प्रियांशु.
Municipal corporation has a work of to clean roads, to pesticide the road, to clean areas, and municipal committee has the work of to save.
Okay, आप बताइए.
So first one is that the municipal corporation and municipal committee have both the development, both have the role of development in the city. So the three main points that distinguish a municipal corporation and a municipal committee are: first, the municipal corporation directly talks with the state government, while the municipal corporation talks to the state government by the district administration. Second is that the municipal committee consists. The municipal committee have the city which have the population less than 2,000, and the municipal corporation have
Very good.
by the city which have population more than 2,000.
Next, Rajveer. हाँ.
Use the examples of Rajasthan and Kerala to illustrate the nature of economical diversity in India.
हाँ. केरला के लोग और राजस्थान के लोग अलग अलग इकोनॉमिकल एक्टिविटी में ये कौन कौन सा काम करते हैं? केरला के ज्यादातर लोग क्या काम करते हैं? फिशरीज, ज्यादातर वहां पे क्या होता है? मछली मारा जाता है या फिर प्लांटेशन फार्मिंग की जाती है. और राजस्थान में ज्यादातर लोग माइनिंग करते हैं,
cattle rearing.
करते हैं, माइनिंग करते हैं. ऐसे बताना था. चलिए ये छोड़िए, ये मुझे बता दीजिए.
Give example to show that different people do the same thing differently.
हाँ, काफी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन.
All people have their own ability to do.
कौन बताएंगे? Yes.
As India is the country of unity and diversity, so people of India are extremely diverse in every way. They do many things. They do many same things, but differently. Such as the Hindus go to temples for prayers, while the Christians go to church.
Very good.
The people of South talk in Tamil, Malayalam, Kannada, and more. But the people of North India talk Hindi, Bhojpuri, and many more.
Okay, next. Pratyushas.
Name the states where Hindi is commonly used. So the states are Bihar, Rajasthan, UP, Uttar Pradesh,
Yes. मध्य प्रदेश, छत्तीसगढ़, झारखंड, बिहार, Uttarakhand. There are many states there where Hindi is commonly used. Okay, next.
What are the geographical diversity in India?
Geographical diversity. भारत में कई सारे geographical diversity है. अब आपको मालूम ही नहीं है कि ये क्या होता है, तो आंसर नहीं दे पाएंगे. और सारा बुक का है. किसको किसको मालूम है? बताइए.
Again, I have to say that the India is the country of unity and diversity,
Yes.
and people of India are extremely diverse. So, according to our geographical diversity, India is also very different from each. Indian people are also very different from each other. When we go to the south, then the people grow different types of crops, such as the most of the people grow spices. And when we go to the north, the people grow crops such as wheat and rice. People in the north also wear different types of clothes and talk in different languages, while in the south they also wear different types of clothes and talk in different languages. The people of north eat different types of food, and the people of south also eat different types of food.
Okay. Next. प्रतिज्ञा. क्वेश्चन पढ़े.
Name the variety of spices grown in Kerala.
Name the variety of spices grown in Kerala. कौन कौन से मसाले उगाए जाते हैं केरला में?
Turmeric,
टर्मरिक. और कौन से मसाले?
black pepper,
ब्लैक पेपर.
red pepper,
रेड पेपर भी होता है. रेड पेपर कहाँ होता है? कौन सा मसाला रेड पेपर? काली मिर्च तो होता है, लाल मिर्च होता है. लाल मिर्च होता है लेकिन चिली पाउडर करते हैं. अच्छा, आगे बोलिए. और कौन कौन से मसाले आप जानती है? सारा बता दीजिए तो. टर्मरिक हुआ, ब्लैक पेपर हुआ, और कार्डिमम, और
cinnamon,
और कोरिएंडर. और कोरिएंडर धनिया हो गया ना जी. जीरे को क्या कहा जाता है? कमिन. और क्या होता है?
Cloves,
लौंग. और एक आता है वो क्या कहते हैं उसे, दालचीनी को?
cinnamon.
हाँ, वही. ओके, नेक्स्ट.
State the two main types of family based on the number of members. In India, there are main two types of family. First one is joint family, and second is nuclear family. In joint families, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and cousins are lived. And in nuclear family, parents and their children are lived.
यस. कोई और बता सकता है डिटेल में? यस.
According to the family, there are two types of families in India. The first one is the joint family, which is also commonly called as big families. It consists of grandparents, parents, cousins, siblings, aunt and uncles. The second one is nuclear family, which is also known as small family. This consists of parents and the siblings. Both are widely known families in the India, but according to comparability, small family or nuclear family is considered better than the joint family.
वेरी गुड। अब क्वेश्चन पूछे जाएंगे रैंडम, ठीक है? आपको हाथ अपने उठाने हैं क्वेश्चन पढ़ के। सिर्फ एक हाथ उठे। डिस्क्राइब एनी टू मेजर फिजिकल डिवीजन ऑफ इंडिया, बताइए।
First, I have to say that the major physical divisions of India are the Great Himalayas,
Great Himalaya,
the northern plains, the Deccan region, also known as southern plateaus, the coastal region, the islands, the Great Thar Desert.
Yes.
So I have to describe about the two physical divisions. So I have to choose the northern plains. The northern plains are situated in the south of the Greater Himalayas and in the north of the southern plateaus. These lands are very fertile because the soil of this area is contains humus and many rivers such as Ganga, Brahmaputra, Sindh, Indus and many of its tributaries carry different types of minerals from the mountains. Second one, I have to describe the coastal areas. The coastal areas consist of the western portion of the Western Ghats and the eastern portion of the Eastern Ghats. These are the deltas where the rivers such as Mahanadi, Godavari, Kaveri, Krishna, Ganga, Kosi, Brahmaputra and many more are drained into it. These deltas are very fertile. The Indian mainland also the Indian coastal plains also consist of two major islands, which are the Andaman and Nicobar Island and the Lakshadweep Islands.
वेरी गुड। देखिए आपके साथ ही पढ़ा है ये, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि इसको अलग बुक मिला था, इसको अलग मालूम था, सबको मालूम था कि क्या आने वाला है, फिर भी आपने नहीं पढ़ा। नेक्स्ट, चलिए ये तो बताइए, अभी भी इन्होंने बताया था इस बारे में, कौन बता सकता है? नॉर्दर्न प्लेन के बारे में बताना है, अभी इन्होंने बताया इतने डिटेल में। साउथ ऑफ द हिमालय वेरी फर्टाइल, फिर भी यही हाथ उठा रहे हैं। चलिए नेक्स्ट देखते हैं। हाउ आर लॉन्गिट्यूड यूज्ड टू स्टडी टाइम? यस प्रियांशु।
Longitude. According to people, longitude is an imaginary line which passes through the earth. It helps us to know the time. According to longitude, time is different according to degree. Prime meridian, which is in London, is known as 0 degree.
Yes.
All the periods of time are taken by Greenwich, which crosses the prime meridians. So every place time is different according to their angles.
एवरी डिग्री एक्सीड 4 मिनट, हर एक डिग्री में 4 मिनट बढ़ जाता है। ओके नेक्स्ट, एक सेकेंड। यस, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन, ये तो आना चाहिए। व्हाई डू वी नीड अ गवर्नमेंट? सरकार की जरूरत क्यों है? सिविक्स का है, इसमें भी नहीं। हमको लगा प्रत्युष से पढ़ने नहीं आया, तैयारी कर रहा होगा। चलिए बताइए, आप बताइए प्रियांशु।
We need government to control all over the country. Government mainly divided into 3 parts: central government, state government, and local government. Central government control all over the India. State government control a particular state, and local government like municipal corporations and many more are in local government. We need government mainly for fulfill our basic needs, to stop the wars.
ओके, आप बोलिए, व्हाई डू वी नीड अ गवर्नमेंट?
We need a government because a government controls all the country. with the states and the union territories. A government also provides all the needs and fulfills the basic necessities such as electricity, water, roads, good roads, and fine bungalows,
Very good.
fine houses.
Next question. Yes. Compare the monarchy and democratic form of government. एक मोनार्की यानी राजतंत्र और डेमोक्रेसी यानी लोकतंत्र में क्या अंतर है? बुक में नहीं था क्या आप लोग के सारे? है ना? चलिए बताइए वैभव।
In monarchy, all the power lie in the hands of the queen or a king.
Yes.
The decision and the justice is taken by the monarch. The monarchy system is hereditary. After the death of the king or queen, its son or daughter will become the other monarch. But in the democracy, people have the main power to elect their leader. In democracy, the people are the most powerful. They elect their leader and even their representatives for their development and progress of the country.
Very good. The rulers were also not hereditary. People can change the ruler. Okay, next. Second last है, इसके बाद last पूछूंगा, ठीक है? यहाँ रुक जाए, हाँ. List 5 area in which government help the citizen to improve their lives. Yes, बता दीजिए जल्दी से short में.
They improve the roads and highways which are
Transport facility, education, health.
They make friendly relations with the other countries.
Yes, foreign relation.
They fulfill the necessities during an epidemic and also organize dispensaries and clinics for the better
Development.
development.
Okay, next last question है. एक सेकंड, ये सिविक्स का ये पंचायती राज. हाँ, क्वेश्चन पढ़े. What are the advantage of local self government? जो लोकल सेल्फ गवर्नमेंट होते हैं, नगर पंचायत, नगर निगम, उसके क्या एडवांटेजेस है? Yes, Priyanshu.
Local self-government is very beneficial because it can provide a solution of everything in a short period of time. We can fulfill our need with the help of local self-government. Local self-government is a branch of the central government. So in large cases, large problems, it has to tell the problem to state government and then local central government.
Okay. So आज का डिबेट क्लास 7 का हम लोग यहीं पे समाप्त करते हैं. फिर अगले वीक नेक्स्ट वीक हम लोग मिलेंगे. ओके, थैंक यू.